I'll be showing you the top Etsy sync apps available for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. First up, we have Etsy Sync by Veloplab. It's going to make it super easy to product export to Etsy. You can easily manage different prices on Shopify and Etsy within their app. You can get individual syncs, real-time syncs every 2 to 5 minutes, and you can sync stock levels in both directions. There's also no limits on the orders or products, so it makes it super easy to manage things between the two. You even get automatic warehouse management and shipping management. It's also super easy to set up, as you simply have to install the app, integrate the products, and then you're done. In terms of pricing, there's a flat rate pricing of $9.99, and you get no limits on orders or products. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars, with just shy of 40 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant says they have a variety of product types in their store, which led to some challenges. They reached out to support and the app team was amazing. They were super responsive and helped find the perfect solution. Next up, we have Etsy integration by Quicksync. So you can sync your products and orders with 100% confidence. So you can streamline your inventory, you can import and export products with images, SKUs, barcodes, prices, categories, and variants. And it's going to make product syncing flawless, as well as order syncing. And it supports up to 30,000 products. In terms of pricing, there's two plans for $19 and $29, and it's going to depend on the amount of products you want to sync and whether you want to sync orders and products as well. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 1.5 thousand 5-star reviews, and merchants find this app beneficial for efficiently syncing product listings, inventory, and orders between Shopify and Etsy. And it's especially useful for managing multiple stores, and the customer service team is quickly. Last up, we have the Etsy integration by DPL, and it makes it super easy to upload by bulk products to Etsy. You can apply Etsy's settings while uploading a product, and you get real-time order, inventory, and product syncing. It's a two-way product import and export between Shopify and Etsy, and it's easy and simple to set up. It just takes 5 minutes to set up and install. And you're going to get automatic order management and fulfillment of Etsy orders, and it's going to sync things such as VAT to Shopify, even if prices is inclusive in Etsy, to avoid double taxation. In terms of pricing, there's a flat plan for $17.99 per month, and Etsy is going to charge 20 cents per listing. And this is going to let you export and import up to 50,000 products and manage unlimited orders and fulfillment syncs. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with over 400 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for its seamless product integration from Shopify to Etsy, praising its user-friendly interface and real-time inventory syncing. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. You have your cost of goods sold, your transaction fees, your ad spend, your chargeback, and your taxes. It's a lot of things to keep track of, and that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. In one setup, all you have to do is select the date range you want to see calculations for, and you're going to get real-time calculations all displayed in an easy-to-understand dashboard. You're going to see all your ad spend from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. It's going to integrate with quite a few cost of goods sold options, and it's going to allow you to make smarter business decisions as you have a true understanding of your store's performance. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. I'll also leave a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. So make sure you check that out so you can start truly understanding your store's financial performance. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top Etsy sync apps for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. That really helps the channel out. I come up with new Shopify videos just like this all the time. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.